This man, I don't want peace. I want problems always.
God have mercy upon us.
I'm telling you. Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Who is this smart man?
70 years old man.
And where is this smart man coming from?
Generation to play. Why are you running? Why are you running?
Il est smart qui est beau.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un
Il est très bien.
you will die. Hey, le monde part en couille.
Madman.
I said you are a madman. And I mean it, you are a madman.
Hey!
Hold this man in the first place.
You are a madman?
Jesus.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell
Look
you.
at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
God have mercy upon us.
Jesus.
Let me tell you.
God have mercy upon us.